it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's room tour of our hotel in downtown LA. First, I'm going to flip you around and show you what our view was, and then we'll jump into the room. Here is our view of downtown. No idea exactly where we're looking at, but we're close to the Staples Center. Right when you walk in, you have your closet to the right. It has a good amount of hangers. That is where the safe is at, as well as the iron and the ironing board. The hairdryer was up here as well. You can ask for a steamer if you don't want to use the iron, but that does come with a deposit. This is the king size room. It is very small. It worked out for just Jackson and I, but for more than two people it would be a bit much, not enough room. It wouldn't be enough room. There we go. Right here is the bathroom. So the bathroom was very small, but I like how they have it decorated. The shampoo and conditioner and shower gel is this fun brand, and I actually used it yesterday and I really liked that. It has a rain head shower head and then a handheld one as well. This was one thing I did not like about the room, is there is no counter space. So we are here for a wedding, and so getting ready yesterday was a little difficult as well. But it worked, I made it work, but I would have at least liked a little bit of counter space. This is very thin, and so I had to balance different things on there, but that's all right. Right outside of the bathroom, you have your beverage fridge, and then you have your coffee and tea station. Have your ice bucket. They do have free coffee downstairs at Cafe Fig, but they also have a maker espresso machine in your room. Now as we walk into further to the room, it's just the bed. Hi, there's Jackson. Each bed has a nightstand, and on the side of the nightstand you have a USB plug that you can use to charge things. And then you have a full-length mirror right here, which was nice. This room is just for the connecting room. You have a table right here that we use to put all of my bathroom stuff pretty much. And then Jackson has a nightstand on his side too, and a phone. There weren't a ton of plugs. We just had one there and one there that we were able to use. And that is the entire room. So for breakfast, I got the croissant sandwich with eggs, sausage. Got a side of avocado to throw on that, as well as some fruit. Jackson got blueberry pancakes. Is this the first time you've ever eaten blueberries in your life?
No.
Are they good?
Are they good?
Can I bite?
No.
Is our room tour of our hotel stay at Hotel Figueroa. We really enjoyed it. They have 2 restaurants. We ordered breakfast yesterday morning from Cafe Fig. It was really good. I had the croissant sandwich. Jackson got the blueberry pancakes. I also got some fruit and like a side of an avocado for my sandwich. You do get, like I mentioned, you do get coffee down at the bar. This morning's wasn't very good. Yesterday's was good though. It was nice and hot. They have a really nice pool, not a huge space, not a lot of loungers, but we are able to find a seat, and they have a bar service as well. So we ate lunch at the pool, which was really good, and we just enjoyed our relaxing day yesterday. Jackson's favorite part was the room key, because it was a wooden room key. It was really cool. But overall, we had a really nice day. Only like downside was like room size is very small, no counter space in the bathroom, but it worked for us for just a couple days, and now we are headed over to Anaheim. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you real soon. Bye.